What's up, gentlemen? So today we're going to talk a little bit about one of man's best friends, which is testosterone. That mythical, magical hormone that we as dudes need in order to kick ass, feel amazing, and be as awesome as possible. Unfortunately, some of the everyday things that we're actually using and consuming on a daily basis destroying our body's ability to produce that incredible, mythical, magical hormone, testosterone. Number one is BPA, all right? It is an EDC. EDC is an endocrine disrupting chemical. One of the biggest culprits is actually the chemicals that are used to make plastic water bottles. BPA actually leaches into the beverage that we consume, and then we consume this EDC. Another EDC chemical, guys, is what is called a paraffin. All right, paraffins are found in a lot of grooming products, all right? A lot of times the body washes, the shampoos, the conditioners, the styling products, not to mention your deodorants, all right? It is absolutely critical that you start using healthier, higher quality products, not only for your body, but also your deodorants. Deodorants are one of the biggest offenders in terms of damaging men's bodies, all right? Lots of chemicals, not to mention aluminum. Aluminum is one of the worst, most toxic things for your body because the way that antiperspirants work, they actually go in and block and clog sweat ducts. And the truth is that we need the sweat. If we're not, unfortunately, a lot of the chemicals that we're consuming during the day, during the week, during the year gets built up and stored in our lymph ducts if we're not actually able to sweat and extract them. They get built up and stored in our lymph ducts, which is unfortunately a horrible, horrible thing. Guys, it's time for you to start using healthier products, all right? What I did at Pete and Pedro is create a natural deodorant that, in my opinion, is the best on the market. Not only does it work incredibly well, it smells amazing. It's a eucalyptus spearmint. Guys, the reviews are insane. Basically, we took out everything bad. Aluminum-free, paraffin-free, sulfite-free. Guys, it is critical that you start using a higher quality product, natural products that are not toxic and bad for your body and damaging your testosterone levels. Guys, I'm going to link to the Pete and Pedro deodorant down below. It is the best natural deodorant on the market. I literally went through about 40 different variations to find a perfect formula, and this one is it. Guys, I'm going to link to it down below. There's also going to be a limited time discount code. Do not wait. It's time for you to upgrade the quality of the products that you're using. Beer is unfortunately destroying your testosterone levels, or I should say the hops used to make beer. All right, and the reason is because hops is a phytoestrogen or a plant-based estrogen. When you consume it, your estrogen levels will increase, not to mention when you drink too much beer, your man boobies and love handles also increase, but in terms of testosterone, as your estrogen level rises, your testosterone level will fall. Guys, I'm not saying never to enjoy a cold brewski, but don't drink them too much. And the last everyday thing, unfortunately, that is destroying your testosterone level is dairy. All right, now I'm not mad at cows. I love cheese and all that, but research has shown that drinking a third of a cup of dairy a day actually increases your risk of prostate cancer by 25%. And what they assume is that because most of the cows that they're actually getting the milk from are pregnant, there are a lot of female pregnancy hormones that are in the milk that we're actually drinking, increasing our risk of prostate cancer.